16th question, 4x plus 1 by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3. This function integral we need to find. So integration dx and dy. Now you see 2x square, 2 into x square derivative 2x into 2 is there. Total 4x is there in numerator. And x derivative 1 is there. Minus 3 derivative 0. That means it is in the form of f dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. What is the solution to root f of x? So that what I am writing here, let f of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 3. Now derivative on both sides. F of x derivative f dash of x equals to 2 into x square derivative 2x, x derivative 1 minus 3 derivative 0. So f dash of x is equals to 4x plus 1. Now that integral is equals to 4x plus 1 into d. 4x plus 1 is equals to what we are writing? F dash of x by square root of this function what we are assuming f of x into 2x into dx. So this is equals to integration of f dash of x by root f of x is equals to what? 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x plus. So this is equals to 2 root of. What is the f of x? F of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. This is the solution. Now 17th question. 17th question, x plus 2 by square root of x square, x plus 2 by square root of x square minus 1, x square minus 1 is there. So here x square derivative 2x only, so plus 2 is there, x extra. So this one how I am solving, you see, integration dx. This is like 7th question. 7th question numerator minus 1. In place of minus 1 they given plus 2. Similar to 7th one. So this is equals to what I am writing? X by square root of x square minus 1. Next to plus 2 by x square minus 1 into dx and dy. That means at the denominator is dividing with each term. So this is equals to the for first term x square minus 1 derivative 2x. So for numerator multiply and divide with 2. So 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. What I did? For x multiply with 2 and at the same time dividing with 2. So plus 2 is constant, integral constant. I am writing before it. Integration of 1 by x square minus 1 is equals to what I am writing? 1 square. 1 is equals to 1 square. It is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. Let f of x is equals to x square minus. Then f dash of x is equals to what we are getting? 2x. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of 2x, nothing but f dash of x by square root of x square minus 1 is f of x dx plus 2 into, it is in the form of integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square. 1 by square root of x square minus a square integration what? Log mod x plus under root of x square minus a square. So that this is equals to log mod x plus x square minus a square. A is equals to here 1. This is equals to 1 by 2 into f dash of x by root f of x is equals to what? 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x plus 2 log of x plus x square minus 1. 1 square is equals to 1. Here 2 get cancel. You substitute f of x value. So that is integration of x plus 2 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx is equals to what? Root f of x. What is the f of x? X square minus 1 under root plus 2 log of x plus under root of x square minus 1 plus c is the answer. Now 18th question. This 18th question, see this one, and already I explained one method. What is the method? Integration of px plus q by integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or integration of px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. If the integrals are in that form, then in these type of questions, so the working rule, how we are converting the question is, the px plus q is equals to a into d by dx of denominator quadratic term plus b. Next, we are derivating of this term. Next, comparing on both sides x quotient. By comparing of x quotient, we are getting a value. By comparing constant terms, we are getting b value. In place of px plus q, we are substituting this one. After the simplification, we are getting the solutions. That means the question number 18th to 23. 18th to 23, we are using this method. These solutions we will see next video.